Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this new episode of our cooking trips. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. So tonight we're gonna make ensaymada. Ensaymada is a type of bread, and this is one of my favorite kind of bread back home because it's delicious, it's rich, it's cheesy, and I love cheese, so that's why it's my favorite. So making bread takes time, but I assure you, you're gonna love every single bite of this bread. So let's hit it! First, grab your milk and water. Just combine it. I've got my sugar here that's already been measured, but I'll just add a little bit because it's quite cold today. I'm just gonna hit this in the microwave for 10 seconds, alright? There's something inside the microwave, just remove it, 10 seconds. Perfect. Dry instant yeast, combine it. Just mix. And we're gonna add some 2 eggs. Okay. Got my salt in. Got my sugar in. And then this is our mixture of milk, water, and yeast. Just add them. And strain into our stand mixer. Now we're gonna slowly add our flour. Okay. So after we incorporate the dry and wet ingredients, we're gonna slowly add our soft butter. It's room temperature. So let's add them. Oh, look at that, so beautiful, right? So we're gonna add a little bit of butter first. While waiting for that for at least 10 minutes, we're just gonna grate our cheese. Lightly oil them, and then we're gonna add our dough inside. Now it's time to shape our dough. In order for you to have a consistent shapes and consistent sizes, and it's better to have a consistency with your ensaymada, just to look really nice and pleasant, you have to use a weighing scale. After I pulled my breads out of the oven, I rested it for about 10 to 15 minutes because when you put the butter and sugar, it's just gonna melt if it's too hot. So this version of ensaymada, I kind of toasted a little bit of the top layer so you get a bit crunch when you bite into it. So let's finish it.